Okay, Sandyman, so this is my mouse and this right click, this left click is not working properly. So I just open it up and I saw the problem. This is clicking fine. You can see here, if I click it, and this one, it is clicking, right? This click is working, but when I cover it with this one, it shows some lagging. Well, not lagging, but it does not press it well. So I'll just fix this little tape in here and it should work fine. Let's see. So here I put this tape. Alright, so now this one is working good. Alright, that's it. Thank you.